Good day, everyone. In this presentation, I will guide you through a sample digital formative assessment aligned with PISA standards. So here's the outline of our presentation. So I'll be giving you an overview of the digitized formative assessment. I will also provide the item types and format, which is aligned with PISA. And then I will walk you through with the selected items for grades 9 and 10. So for the first part, the overview of a formative assessment, I will share insights from empirical studies on the topic. So Black and William 2003 explained that formative assessment involves assessing students' understanding during the instructional process. Its primary goal is to gather feedback that teachers can use to adjust their teaching strategies and help students improve their learning. This continuous process focuses on identifying strengths and areas for development, fostering a more effective and responsive learning environment. In addition, Macmillan 2005 emphasizes that the effectiveness of a formative assessment lies in its integration into the teaching process. When seamlessly embedded, it actively supports learning by providing timely feedback and enabling adjustments to instruction based on students' needs. So, this approach ensures that assessment is not a separate activity but an integral part of fostering understanding and progress. I also have here Looney in 2019, who highlights that digital formative assessment does not have a distinct definition, but it is viewed as a tool for implementing formative assessment. So it functions as part of the broader formative assessment process, leveraging digital technologies to provide feedback and support learning. And then digital formative assessment talks about assessments that are entirely conducted using computer-based tools. So these assessments utilize digital platforms to collect data, provide feedback, and monitor students' progress in real time, offering a more interactive and efficient way to support learning and teaching. So the digitized formative assessment of DepEd consists of the following components. So it is aligned with the DepEd learning competencies. And then for English grade 9, there are 7 items. And also for grade 10, we have 14 items. So each item has long passages with questions corresponding to that particular passage. And then in the digitized formative assessment, we can instantly gather data. And lastly, you can see multimedia elements such as infographics in our digitized formative assessment. So for the item types and format, in terms of design, particularly test scope, it covers 3 subject domains, while the format includes multiple choice and open response items. And in terms of test design, it is a computer-based assessment structured to be completed within 2 hours. So let's take a look at the 2018 PISA. So in the PISA 2018, the focus was on reading literacy, which involved assessing students' ability to understand, interpret, and reflect on written texts in various contexts. This focus aimed to evaluate how well students can engage with, comprehend, and apply information from reading materials in real life situations. And for the PISA 2025, the main focus will be on scientific literacy. This will assess students' ability to apply scientific knowledge and reasoning to solve problems in real world context, as well as their understanding of scientific concepts and the nature of science itself. The goal is to evaluate how well students can use scientific thinking to make informed decisions and solve problems related to the world around them. And for the walkthrough of the selected items, so let's begin with grade 9. So if you have access with the learning management system, you will find the digitized formative assessment, and then below that digitized formative assessment, you will see the three learning areas: English, math, and science. And then on top, you can see English 9. Then once you click English 9, it will prompt you to the test items. And then you just have to click enter, and then it will prompt you to the next part of the digitized formative assessment. So on top, you will see arrow. So you just have to click the one on the right side. So here is the sample PISA items. As you can see, there is a text, a written text, or a passage that the student need to read first before he or she answers the test items. And then you just have to click, once you are done, you just have to click the arrow on the left side. And then it will go you to the next question. And then once you are done with the PISA items, or once you are done answering all of the items, it will bring you to the last part, which is the results of your assessment. So here you can see the attempts, and then the score, and then the maximum score, and then the learner response. And then for the grade 10, it is still the same with the grade 9. You just have to look for English 10, and then it will prompt you to the sample items. So here there are infographics that the student need to study, and then he or she needs to answer now the questions that follow. So that's it. So here are the references. So thank you for listening.